Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are talking about a very important part of your AC and fridge. It's called the evaporator. Don't worry about the big name, it's actually very simple. In this video, I will explain what it does in easy words. What is an evaporator? In simple words, an evaporator is a heat exchanger. What does that mean? It means its job is to take heat from one place and move it to another. Think about your room. On a hot day, the air in your room is warm. The evaporator takes that warmth, heat, out of the air. When the heat is gone, the air becomes cold. That is why you feel cool air coming out of your AC. How does it work? Inside the evaporator, there is a special liquid called refrigerant. This liquid is very, very cold. When warm air from your room touches the cold pipes of the evaporator, the liquid inside starts to boil. But here is the trick. When this liquid boils and turns into gas, it soaks up all the heat from the room. It works like a sponge, soaking up the heat and carrying it away. So, warm air goes in, right pointing arrow heat is soaked up, right pointing arrow cold air comes out. Simple. Types of evaporators. You will see different shapes of evaporators. Coils with fins. These are in your home AC. They have little metal plates, fins, to catch more air. Big pipes, shell and tube. These are used in big buildings or factories to cool down lots of water. Plate type. These are flat and small, used when there isn't much space. Even if they look different, their job is the same: take the heat away. Conclusion. So, that's it. The evaporator is the heat sponge of your AC. Without it, we wouldn't have cold air. I hope this simple explanation helped you. If you liked this easy video, please click like and subscribe to our channel for more simple technical guides. Thanks for watching.